Okay, so let's look at what an irregular word even is. Let's identify and define what we're talking about. So most words end in S when talking about the plural. Plural being the two plus of something. Singular and plural. So most words end in S. Cat, cats. Hat, hats. Pen, pen. Wall, walls. Door, doors. Camera, cameras, and beyond. Nice and simple. That's the normal, that's the regular rule when it comes to creating a plural for a word. But some words are irregular words. Irregular words meaning they do not follow the regular rule for creating a plural. For example, cactus. Nice plant, quite prickly, painful. So cactus already ends in S, and that is the singular. Cacti. We replace the I. We replace the S with an I. Cacti. Cacti. Replace the U and the S, in fact, with an I. Cacti. I have some cactus. I have a cactus. I want more cacti in the garden. Still works. Makes sense. I have a cactus. I want more cacti. Do you have a cactus? Do you see the cacti over there? Makes sense. Sheep. Exactly the same. Sheep. 1 and 2. 2 plus. Plural. Yeah. I bought 1,000 sheep recently. I have a field of sheep. This sheep is very naughty. You wouldn't say this shope. You wouldn't say these sheepies. No, nothing else you'd say. It's just sheep. I have a sheep. Those are 2 sheeps. Yeah, these are 2 sheep. Those are 2 sheep. Yeah, you could even add S. It very interchangeably. There are some sheep. Those are sheep. Those are my sheep. Those sheep are going to the field. These sheeps are here. These sheeps are there. Yeah, definitely sheep. But not really add an S. You could. Native speakers will understand you. But it's unnecessary. They'll get you. There's sheep in the field. Do you see all those sheep? Yeah. And man. And men. Man, men. That is a man. They are men. You wouldn't really say mans. Mans, unless it's within a possessive, like this is the men's room, the gentleman's room, the toilets. Yeah, but even that's possessive, so it's ownership. But you wouldn't say men's. Yeah, men's clothes. Yeah, men's clothes again, possessive. Yeah, but for a plural, not the same. It's man and men. That is a man. There are loads of men at the party. Makes sense. How cool is that? So, let's keep going, language explorers. Let's keep going.